Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve some of the numericals based on mole concept. Example 3.4, in which it says calculate the mass of the following. So we have to calculate mass. Now there are two types of mass as we discussed earlier, atomic mass or molecular mass or weight, and the given mass. Given mass means the weight of the substance. So that's what we have to calculate here. So we have to calculate the mass of the substance. Now they have given us 0.5 mole of N2 gas. Here we have to find out mass from mole of a molecule. So we have to find out the mass, and we have the details of mole, and we can find out the atomic weight or molecular weight. Here molecule has been given to us. So N2, the molecular weight of N2 is 28 gram. How? Because 14 is atomic weight of nitrogen, 14 into 2. Because in this molecule there are two atoms of nitrogen. One atomic weight into 2. So it is equal to 28 gram. So this is molar mass or molecular weight of nitrogen. Now what is the formula to find out mole? So this is N is a mole, equals to given mass divided by molar mass or molecular weight or atomic weight. So here given mass is, that's what we have to find out. So we have to frame a formula with respect to this. So it will be given mass equals to N into molar mass. Now here we will strike out this given because we have to find out the mass. So mass equals to N into molar mass. N is 0.5 into molar mass, that means molecular weight, so it is 28. So 5 into 28 divided by 10. So we will get here 14 and here we will get 5. So 5 and the answer is 14. So what is 14? 14 is mass. So it is gram. So 0.5 moles nitrogen gas weight is 14 gram. In our second subnumerical, we are going to find out mass from 0.5 mole of nitrogen atoms. Earlier it was nitrogen molecule. Now it is nitrogen atom. So formula will remain same. N equals to given mass, which we are going to find out, divided by molar mass. So here we know N, that is 0.5. Mass we have to find out. Molar mass we know. Nitrogen's atomic weight is 14. So it is 14. So here mass equals to 0.5 into 14. So answer will be 5 into 14 divided by 10. So it will be 7 and 5. 5 we can cut it off and the answer is 7 gram. So 0.5 mole of nitrogen atoms weight is 7 gram. Only thing we have to remember this formula, and we should know how can we reframe it according to the given details. Our third question is 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 number of nitrogen atoms. Now from this detail we have to find out the mass of the substance. Now what is the formula for mass of the substance? N equals to given mass divided by molar mass. We can find out the molecular weight or atomic weight. N is mole, and given mass we have to find. So these two details we don't have. So either of this we have to find. Obviously we need to find out the mole and then we can find out the mass. So here, to find out the mass, first we have to find out the number of moles. Here we know the number of atoms. So we can write like this, that in 1 mole of substance, how many number of atoms are there? 6.022 10 raised to 23. So we have number of atoms. We have 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Then in this many atoms, how many moles will be there? So otherwise you can directly divide with this. So 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 6.022 to 10 raised to 23. So you will get here 1 by 2 equals to 0.5. So this is our mole. 0.5 mole we got. So from this 0.5 mole we can find out our mass. So 0.5 equals to mass, what we need to find, divided by molar mass. Now n atoms are there. Only nitrogen is there. So we need to take here 14 because it is only nitrogen and not a nitrogen molecule. So our mass is 0.5 into 40. 70 divided by 10 equals to 7 gram. So 7 gram will be the weight of this much number of nitrogen atoms. So this is how you can solve the numerical from this formula. Our next numerical is, from this many number of nitrogen molecule we have to find out the mass. It is the same as previous one. Earlier it was nitrogen atom, now we have nitrogen molecule. So whatever atomic mass we have taken earlier, now we have to take a molecular weight. So the process will remain same. Our formula is N equals to mass divided by molar mass. So first we are going to find out moles. So in 1 mole, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of molecules are there. Then we have 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of molecules. So that's why it is 1 mole of substance. Number is same. So we have 1 mole of nitrogen molecule. So here 1 equals to mass we need to find out divided by molar mass. Now it is N2. So 14 into 2. This is atomic weight of nitrogen. So this is 28 gram. So this is molecular weight of nitrogen divided by 28. So our mass is 28 gram. This will go up here. So our mass is 28 gram. Now what is this 28 gram? For this many number of nitrogen molecule, 28 gram is the weight of this substance. This type of sum can be asked in fill in the blank, because directly you can see here that this is a number which refers to 1 mole of substance. So directly by looking at this you can write 1 mole of substance weight is equals to its molar mass. 1 mole's substance weight is equals to its molar mass. Any substance. Here we can also take example of water. That 1 mole of water's weight is 18 gram. The molecular weight of water is 18. So 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram. So 1 mole of substance, this you need to remember, that 1 mole of substance weight is equals to its molecular weight.